For many of you, the IKEA is very nice blue boxes located in many cities around the globe, but the machinery is much bigger. Today, we have more than 200,000 co-workers in the store location, in purchasing offices, in factories, and around the globe. We speak about more than 9,500 products which we are sell in different parts, and some of those products you can find in any single store around the world, but the same we have local adaptation. We speak about more than 400 stores, some free e-commerce markets, and more than 60 test locations. But I think this is what it's interesting. We speak about 4 billion visitors of our IKEA website yearly. This is something what is quite impressive. Of course, nothing will happen with our partners like suppliers. We speak about some around 1,600 suppliers located around the globe. So our vision in IKEA is quite simple. We want to create better everyday life for many people. And it means not only sell the furniture or accessories, but the same something what is a bigger, but better for society and better for planets. And if you look on the next part, not next slide, the same still slide, Oliver, if we are come closer with all this aspect, we can create these fields of better life bigger and bigger. And to be very honest, this is our goal. IWAY, it's our IKEA supplier code of conducts. This is something what must be fulfilled. If you want to be supplier, IKEA supplier or IKEA partner, we must fulfill the requirements which we have put on our partners. The same requirements we have put on ourselves, and this is the same important. It means we are care about environmental part. It means we are care about the source of the raw material. We care about energy costs, labor costs, and the same we ask suppliers to put the right attention for the social part for the co-workers. Even we are discussed and compare the salary part in the countries. To be IKEA partner, first you must fulfill IWAY must. This is the some points which must be fulfilled, no discussion. If supplier or other partners will not fulfill that, it's no chance to cooperate with us. And we are very, very strict on that. Doesn't matter if it's partner in Europe, in Asia, in the North America, or the same in South America, like we start. It means here we are very, very strict. I will say our IWAY is divided on the 5 main blocks. Of course, improve environmental impact, very, very strong, and plenty of our partners, our suppliers, work hand in hand with us to have that. This is what I mentioned, the same secure, decent, magnificent work for the co-workers. It's been I visit before pandemic some suppliers in India. You know sometimes how you see and what you can imagine. I would say this was a super nice appliances supplier, and they have super professional place for the dinners, place for the co-workers when they can spend the time and have a breaks and all this stuff. It's secure, doesn't matter of the location. Of course, no discussion on respect children's rights. This is something what is even not discussable. This is something what it must. And of course, the same we have put the special attention on the improved welfare for animals. This is something what is on this part. If you are such a global company like IKEA, if you are deal on such a complex way with so many partners, it's not any longer possible to deal with this on the manual way. It's not possible to do without system. It's not any longer possible to keep and coordinate all this stuff without system.
So to let you know, the supply classification process within IKEA is once a year. So every fiscal year, all suppliers getting reclassified, and this means really all active suppliers getting reviewed and reclassified. and the suppliers getting classified based on hard factors and soft factors. The soft factors getting evaluated based on questionnaires, where the business team need to answer specific questions to the suppliers. And of course, for the hard factors, we have specific KPIs, which getting calculated automatically.